Most cars don't die of age, they die of neglect. And here's the part that should scare every driver watching this. Most cars die 200,000 miles early, and drivers never realize they caused it. Tiny daily habits, the ones you don't even think about, quietly shave years off your engine's life. But what if I told you I did the opposite? What if I told you my basic, everyday sedan has passed 700,000 miles, still runs smooth, and has never needed an engine rebuild? Here's the truth almost no one talks about. 92% of engines die early because their owners ignore the exact 10 habits we're about to cover. And habit number 4? That's the one that saves people thousands of dollars, yet almost no driver on the road today has ever heard of it. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know the 10 habits that made my car last longer than most people's careers. I'm not a mechanic, but 20 years of disciplined habits turned my ordinary sedan into a machine that refuses to die. No rebuilds, no major failures, just pure consistency. And here's what I learned. These 10 simple habits cost less than a tank of gas, but skipping them can destroy an engine. Follow them, and your car will outlive your expectations. Ignore them, and the damage starts quietly. Let's begin with the habit almost every driver gets wrong. Habit 10. Warm up the smart way. Everyone thinks warming up a car means letting it idle for 10 minutes in the driveway. But that habit is one of the fastest ways to damage an engine. When an engine idles cold, fuel doesn't burn completely. Instead, it washes down the cylinder walls, strips away protective oil, and leaves behind thick carbon that builds up in the pistons and valves. Here's the fear factor. Long idling kills more piston rings than bad oil ever will. The correct warm-up is shockingly simple and incredibly effective. Start the engine. Let it idle 30 to 60 seconds. Then drive gently for the first 5 minutes. This warms your engine evenly, circulates oil properly, and prevents the raw fuel wash that destroys cylinder walls. I credit this single habit for preventing head gasket failure and keeping my engine young long past the miles where most cars give up. Habit 9. Change oil before it's due. Most drivers wait for the dash light or the mileage reminder to tell them it's time for an oil change. Big mistake. By the time that light comes on, oil breakdown has already started, especially if you drive in stop-and-go traffic, take short trips, rev high, or live in extreme temperatures. Don't trust mileage, trust driving behavior. Here's what pushed my sedan past 700,000 miles. I change my oil every 4,000 miles, synthetic only, no exceptions. And I don't guess when my oil is wearing out, I verify it. A simple $30 Blackstone lab analysis showed me exactly when my oil was losing viscosity and when metal particles were beginning to rise. That data is priceless. Clean oil is the blood of your engine. Ignore it, and the wear begins long before you ever see a warning light. Habit 8. Weekly tire pressure check. Most drivers think tire pressure only affects fuel economy, but underinflated tires do far more damage than that. They increase rolling resistance, which strains your suspension, forces your drivetrain to work harder, and even puts extra load on your transmission. Over thousands of miles, that added stress slowly eats away at components people never connect to their tires. My routine is simple. Every Sunday morning, before coffee, I check all 4 tires while they're cold. And I never use gas station pumps. Their gauges are notoriously inaccurate. I keep my own $15 digital tire gauge, and it's one of the best investments I ever made. The benefits? Better alignment, steadier MPG, quieter rides, and noticeably less wear on the whole system. It's a tiny habit with massive long-term payoff. Habit 7. Replace all fluids. Here's the biggest misconception in car maintenance. Most drivers only change their oil and ignore the fluids that actually kill engines. Transmission fluid breaks down under heat and pressure long before it fails visibly. I replace mine every 40,000 miles. Coolant slowly becomes acidic, eating metal from the inside. I flush it every 3 years using distilled water only to prevent mineral buildup. Brake fluid absorbs moisture, lowering its boiling point. I flush it annually. Power steering fluid breaks down too. Every 2 years keeps the system smooth and silent. Neglecting these fluids is the silent killer of transmissions, steering systems, and cooling components. And habit number 4 alone? That one saved me thousands of dollars over the life of the car. If this is opening your eyes, hit subscribe now. Smart drivers don't wait for repairs. Habit 6. Clean the MAF sensor every 15,000 miles. Your MAF sensor is one of the smallest parts in your engine, and one of the most important. It tells the ECU exactly how much air is entering the engine. When it gets dirty, your engine starts running rich, fuel trims drift out of balance, and performance drops without warning. The fix is simple. Every 15,000 miles, unplug the sensor and clean it with a MAF-specific cleaner. 10 minutes of effort. A $7 can. Massive results. Do this consistently and you'll notice a smoother throttle, a steady idle, sharper acceleration, and no more random fuel trim check engine lights. And here's the scary truth. Most shops skip this completely unless you specifically ask. That's why high-mileage drivers take it into their own hands. And why my car never struggled with air-fuel issues, even past 400,000 miles. Habit 5. Stop ignoring weird noises, 120 to 130 words. Engines don't suddenly explode without warning. They whisper before they scream. Most drivers hear a new noise, get nervous, and turn up the radio. That single decision has killed more engines than bad oil ever has. I do the opposite. Whenever I hear something abnormal, I grab a small notebook and write it down. The sound, the rhythm, the speed, and when it happens. That simple habit saved me from a $2,000 timing chain repair. I caught a faint ticking early, traced it to a failing tensioner, replaced it for $80, and avoided a complete engine failure. Listen for clues. A ticking noise? Likely a tensioner or valve issue. A clunk? Suspension or mounts? A squeal on startup? Belt slipping? Document everything. Your ears are your most powerful diagnostic tool if you pay attention. Habit 4. Stick to OEM or better parts. If you want a car to survive 700,000 miles, here's a rule that can't be broken. Never gamble with cheap parts. Aftermarket doesn't always mean bad, but cheap aftermarket? That's asking for misfires, failures, and premature wear that spreads damage across your entire engine system. Early in my ownership, I tried saving $20 on a set of budget ignition coils. 3 months later, misfires. Replace them with OEM coils, instantly fixed. Lesson learned the hard way. Premium country drivers and veteran mechanics all know the truth. Brands like Bosch, Denso, NGK, Aisin, and Delphi are the ones that keep engines healthy long-term. Remember this fear line. One weak link can destroy an entire engine system. And here's why this matters. Habit number 4 alone could save you thousands. And it's one most drivers never think about until it's too late. Habit 3. Replace belts and hoses before they fail. Belts and hoses don't fail gracefully. They fail instantly. Rubber lives a hard life under your hood. Constant heat cycles, vibration, pressure, and age slowly weaken it until one day it snaps. And when it snaps, your engine can overheat in seconds. That's why I replace my serpentine belt every 60,000 miles, no matter how good it looks. And my radiator and heater hoses every 5 years, even if they seem perfect. Here's the fear factor most drivers never hear. A $12 hose can rupture at highway speed, dump your coolant, overheat your engine, and blow a head gasket. A repair that can cost more than the value of the car. Think of belts and hoses like sunscreen. You don't see the benefit today, but years later, it's the reason your engine is still alive and running cool at 300,000, 500,000, even 700,000 miles. Habit 2. Stick to one trusted mechanic. A long-lasting engine isn't just about parts, it's about the people who work on it. Switching from shop to shop may feel convenient, but it destroys the one thing your car desperately needs: consistency. When a mechanic knows your vehicle inside and out, they catch problems early, long before they turn into four-figure repairs. They remember past noises, old leaks, replaced parts, and subtle changes most shops would overlook. A trusted mechanic won't upsell you, won't misdiagnose your issues, and won't throw in the wrong parts just to finish the job. But bouncing between random shops, that's how engines get misdiagnosed, sensors get swapped needlessly, and expensive mistakes stack up fast. I've stayed with the same ASE certified mechanic for 15 years, and that relationship alone saved my car and my wallet countless times. Consistency builds trust, and trust builds high-mileage cars. Habit 1. Keep it clean inside and out. Most drivers think cleaning a car is just about appearance, but dirt is one of the most destructive forces your vehicle faces every single day. Dust, mud, and road salt trap heat, which slowly cooks wires, hoses, and rubber. Moisture clings to grime and accelerates corrosion. Even debris in the engine bay acts like insulation, raising temperatures in places where heat is already your engine's worst enemy. That's why I rinse the underbody every 2 weeks and clean the engine bay monthly, carefully avoiding direct sprays on electronics. I also replace my cabin filter regularly because a clogged one forces the HVAC system to work harder and strains shared wiring and motors. Here's the hidden benefit. A clean car reveals problems early: leaks, cracks, loose parts, smells. Plus, it protects paint, trim, and resale value while keeping the entire machine healthier for the long run. Bonus habit. Track everything. If there's one habit that ties all the others together, it's this: track everything. I log every oil change, filter swap, tire rotation, odd noise, hot day, MPG drop, battery cycle, and even which oil brand I used. Over time, those logs reveal patterns. When your engine runs hotter, when fuel economy dips, when belts start to squeal, when fluids break down faster, use anything: an app, a spreadsheet, or a notebook. The tool doesn't matter. What matters is consistency. Because here's the truth: memory fades, data doesn't. And solid records add miles to your car and trust to your mechanic. Engine longevity isn't magic. It's discipline, patience, and a little bit of healthy obsession. Most people treat their cars like disposable appliances and wonder why they die early. But the few who cross 400,000, 500,000, even 700,000 miles all share the same truth. It wasn't luck, it was daily consistency. These habits aren't complicated, they aren't expensive, they just require commitment. And every mile you add without a breakdown proves the payoff. Before you leave, be honest with yourself. Which habit are you guilty of skipping? Drop it in the comments. Your answer might help another driver reading right now. And if saving money, extending engine life, and avoiding surprise repairs matters to you, hit that subscribe button. Smart drivers invest in knowledge before problems appear. Drive smart, drive far, and always drive with purpose.